If you're trying to decide between Teamgate and Vtiger CRM for multi-channel communication, you're in the right place. Both promise seamless engagement across emails, calls, and messaging platforms, but which one actually delivers? By the end of this video, you'll know the strengths and weaknesses of each, and I'll also reveal an alternative that, in my experience, outperforms them both. First up, Teamgate positions itself as an easy-to-use sales CRM with built-in communication tools. The interface is clean, and it integrates well with email providers like Gmail and Outlook. But when it comes to deeper integrations like WhatsApp, SMS, or social media, the options are limited. You can connect third-party apps, but that requires extra setup and, often, additional costs. On the other hand, Tighter CRM offers more flexibility. It supports multi-channel communication, including email campaigns, phone calls, and even WhatsApp. But there's a catch: customizing these features can feel overwhelming. Tighter tries to be an all-in-one solution, but the complexity means you might spend more time setting it up than actually using it. Next thing, automation. Teamgate has basic automation tools like email sequences and follow-ups, but it's not the strongest in this area. Tighter, in contrast, has powerful workflow automation, but again, the learning curve is steep. If you don't configure it correctly, you might end up with unnecessary notifications or broken sequences. Another factor is pricing. Teamgate is straightforward. You pay for what you use. Tighter, while feature-packed, can get expensive if you need advanced tools or extra integrations. If you're running a growing business and need cost-effective multi-channel communication, neither of these might be ideal. Now, both of these CRMs have their merits, but after testing them myself, I found a better alternative that's easier to use, integrates seamlessly with multiple communication channels, and offers powerful automation without the hassle. If you want to check it out, click the first link in the description. You'll get an exclusive free trial with additional benefits available only to our viewers.